Told you we'd come back on another thing. I filled the bag, gallon bag, with what egg rolls we made. And you can see it. Filled a big bag of them. So, I couldn't fit 2 of them into the bag, so we're going to cook 2 of the shrimp and some of the crab that we made the other day. Right now it's getting hot. We're gonna set for about 10 minutes. If it needs more, then we'll add a couple more minutes. I think it was 12 minutes the last time we made them. And they're bubbling really good. And just have a seat until got the baggie moved.
Yeah, you can move the baggie if you want.
It's where the cord goes in to keep it dry.
That's okay.
All right, these 2 are the shrimp, and that one's a crab.
Can I have a crab one?
You can have a shrimp one too, but I'm going to let them cool a little bit before we try to eat them. Do you see the difference in the sizes? These rolls were from Walmart, and these were from Bob's Big M.
Oh.
And I've got 4 more of the crab in here. There's 3 more of the crab in here.
They look empty. Where are they?
No, they're in there. They're down. Yeah. They go down the bottom, and then when they start cooking, they'll come up to the top. I've got some crab ragoon I want to do too. How many of them you want? A couple of crab ragoon? You want to?
Yeah, give me 2 of those and I'll have 2 of these.
What we don't eat, I can always eat them later.
I have a crab and a shrimp.
These are the cheese wontons. You don't want to overload the cooker because that's set the timer for this batch. It took less than 10 minutes. It took like 8 minutes.
They look good. And if you didn't see part 1, go back and look at part 1. And check out some of our other cooking videos. A little crazy in here today. We are doing some remodeling, so that's why I think it's a little crazy, but we're getting it done, huh, honey? All the things that we planned to do last summer, we're trying to do now. Actually, I thought we might even be laying big rug today, but I don't think we're going to get to that, do you?
Yeah, I don't think we're going to get to that today, because I'm still going to unload it and everything else.
Yeah, so we've been working. So anyway.
Alright, there's 8 wonton left in this baggie. I'll put them back in the fridge.
Okay.
And that'll give us 6 of them to cook up.
Sounds good to me. Sounds good to me.
Yeah. They're cooking up. I like this because we'll be able to pull them out and you can rest this on the edge so they can drain. As the oil gets hotter, the sound gets even louder.
Oh yeah.
But I figured I'm not supposed to have all this fried food, but we haven't eaten all day, so this will be okay. And I've got to do a blood fast for tomorrow, so I can give a blood test. So after I get done eating this, there's nothing more for tonight.
Well, eat good then tonight.
I have to be at least 12 hours before I give my blood.
And Clay's turkey. He says the cowlick. I said that's a turkey. Is sticking up straight.
I call it cowlick because the wet tongue of the cow goes up the back of your head.
We always called it a turkey.
It's a cowlick. For anybody that's a farmer.
So we're just having fun with them. So anyway, so this is what's going on here. We're having fun. And you know,
yeah, we made up the crab the last time.
Yeah.
And we ate some of those, and they were really good. And I made up the shrimp this time so that we could try the shrimp, see which one we liked better. Both of them weren't that hard to do.
No.
It took longer to prepare the vegetables than it did to roll the egg rolls and fry them up.
So how are those slippers working out for you?
Yeah, the oil's getting hotter, so they're...
How are those slippers working out for you?
They're working all right. Is the oil getting hotter?
Oh yeah, sounds good.
Cheese wontons, the crab rangoon, only takes like 6 minutes for 3 of them.
There you go. That's the
Starting to cook
sound.
now.
That's the sound. I changed my mind too. I do want more plastic forks and knives, which go in those 2 little containers over there.
Oh, it's quick and easy.
Yeah, it is. When it's only 2 people, we've changed our ways since we've retired. They look good. We need to make some of these, I don't want to say names, for, I'd say, my Irish twin, because we're so close in age, and her hobby.
I even like them.
Oh yeah.
Do they have a fryer?
We're going to bring this over to their house and fry them there.
No, because then you got to wait 2 hours.
Well, we'll invite them over here and we'll play Scrabble over here, because they like Scrabble. You guys like Scrabble?
Not really.
He does, but the guys watched football last time and the girls played Scrabble. I come from a really, really big family, and it's like a term of endearment to say you're Irish twin, and I have Irish triplet, like we're born really close together. That looks good.
Let's drain off and cool.
In fact, my sister and I were both in the same grade at the same time at one point. Isn't that funny?
Funny ha-ha or funny peculiar?
It is funny, haha. My mom and dad had 1, 2, 3, 4 children right in a row. And you have a big family too. It's very close in age too.
Yeah.
You have a sibling that's like almost the same year too, don't you?
Mark.
Yeah, he's got a sibling, yep. But I have 3 older brothers and sisters, and my parents waited a few years and had 4 more. There's 7 in our family.
Don't me forget to take some cough medicine before I go to bed. You can probably eat one of those egg rolls now. It's probably cooled down enough.
And actually, my brother was probably an Irish twin with me too. I didn't ever really think about that. How does it taste, their love? Is it cool enough? Ooh.
Bean sprouts, cabbage, mushrooms, onion. I did forget to put garlic in there, but that's fine.
It looks good. By the way, Clay is Irish and I'm Swiss. Swiss. Just in case you're curious. My family always thought we were all German, and then someone in my family did a DNA test and we're all Swiss. Which is really funny. And we're all from Lancaster originally, so it's really funny. It's probably most of the people that we grew up with, of course, would all have to be the same thing. We're close to it. And, you know, my maiden name was Jüngst, which was youngest in German, but anyway, it's interesting when you find out things like that. So there's something to know about. How's that taste? Good, good, good. Well, guys, I think I'm going to put this on pause because I think I'm going to eat too. So remember,
big or small, you too could be a backyard farm.
That's right.
Enjoy your egg rolls.
And make some good egg rolls. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. God bless.